asleep. But they degraded me. They ruined my life. And they leave me to death. Now, I wander the night, seeking those who dare to cross my path. And when I see you, I'm gonna make you feel the pain that they made me feel. Look into my eyes, and you will see my revenge. And I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you too. The shadows of the night I wait. Betrayed my love. And now you show me. You will hear my wailing before you see a mournful cry that will pierce your soul. The darkness I walk in before your own. They hear! They hear! I'm coming to take your lives.
Sino dia?
I rise from the grave and they took my head, my peace, and they thought that I was finished. But I have my end. You, and you, who took my hand. Every step, I promise that all of your head, I took all of your head. I am always in the darkness. All of you will never hide from me. Ha 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 ha!
The forest is mine, and the trees whispers my name, and its branches cradle my secrets. I will hear you if I do. And once you're lost, you will never find your way out. You are more than nothing for a spirit who craves for your soul. Smells like freedom. We also want to be free.
Not because I'm small, doesn't mean that you, people can hurt me. You're so ignorant.
Sama ka. Isuma na. Kakaiba. Nagkamali ako doon.
Always watching. Always waiting. A moment of disrespect is enough. Face the pain under the rocks.
Do you hear those voices? They keep pestering me. No!
Amoy silip.
You see, I was mad, but now I fed on the very innocent, my own flesh. I don't want to be loved. They're going to hurt me.
Kasi, hindi natin pa yung kanta.
I can hear everyone suffering,
Kataak naman na brown.
especially to those who have been betrayed.
Kung nasa niyo pwede ka
I am the curse
Wala kay
you
Kishan
cannot
sa
escape, and the sickness you cannot heal. You will never know until you feel it in your bones and in your mind. I send my insect to grow beneath your skin, to feast on your fear, until you will become a broken husk. Do you want also to take a revenge? Come and find me.
Tulang.
Think you will never be safe. You think you'll never be safe from me. I will never. But I see every moment, every moment, every breath you take. I will never infect you. I will kill you. Want me to kill you?
Siya na lang, pwede.
What is this place? Hi! Wanna play with me? It's my first time coming inside, and I am so happy. You don't want to play with me? Why? Is it because I am different from you? I used to be like you before. A woman with desire and beauty.
Robinson's
But
Milk.
now, I am something worse. I am something different.
Siya na magpaparas daw ng mga dugo.
But now, when you hear my voice, you will feel twisted and draw you near
Awan
me
yun ang kukulang. Wala,
until you will
Hindi, ma'am.
feel the
Magbabago
pressure
yung
embrace
hawakan mo.
of your body and live your last breath into your body.
Tapos magkukulang yung walis tingting. Which you? Han, ma'am. Yun yung Yun yung artista na nagganap. Sino?